Is Summer's Eve Cleansing Wash a trusted choice for feminine hygiene, or is it overhyped? I've been using it for a while, and here's my honest take. The Simply Sensitive variant is formulated for delicate skin, offering a gentle cleanse without irritation. It's pH balanced and free from dyes and parabens, making it suitable for daily use. Many users with sensitive skin have reported positive experiences, noting that it leaves them feeling fresh without causing discomfort. However, some individuals have experienced irritation, especially with scented versions. It's important to choose a fragrance-free option if you have sensitive skin or are prone to infections. Overall, Summer's Eve Cleansing Wash is a reliable and affordable option for feminine hygiene. But as with any product, it's essential to consider your skin's unique needs. Want more honest beauty reviews? Hit like and follow for the next one.